Oh, good morning. Top of the bottom of the morning to everybody. Welcome to Trading for All Audiences. We're up here at the all-time highs. Am I shorting the all-time high? No, I'm longing the all-time high. And I'll tell you why. The VIX is finally heading in the right direction. Let's switch from our deck, from our huge charts to our more readable charts, because there's also some fun stuff going on. Thanks to our buddy Rips. Speaking of Rips, where is Rips? Okay. Oh, look, our long's working. Fantastic. Here in our FundedSeat account. That's cool. I'm just adding my stop loss. I love Trade C stop loss stuff. All right, over to the charts. To the charts. Look where we were yesterday. Whoop, way up there. To the top of the tippity top. That's cool. That's cool. I don't mind chasing along at the top when the VIX is doing the right thing. Let's mark up our UVXY chart. Oh, little resistance, obviously. We bounced off of the bottom of 800-ish. Now, here's the cool thing that I teased earlier. Cool thing about this is Ripsy, my boy, Ripsy, has got a level at 29,732. Let's get our levels up. Let's get our Rips levels on there. He finally released them from from Instagram prison, 730 225. You gotta go join his free Instagram club, guys. Okay, 730 is 225. And the next one, 789.25. We didn't quite get there, but I think we have a little bit more upside. 89.25. The long is working. A little around the horn review. We are 200 away from passing over here in this funded seat. That's very funded seat. Not in a position in my top step. Up 1,000 on the day. Not chasing it in the funded right now. I did chase it in the funded earlier, and I blew up my MyFundedFutures builder. So sad for that. So bye-bye. Oh, I probably should have left it open for I can trade TPT. So we have, this is a funded seat eval in progress. Let's move this up so y'all can actually see it. There you go. Funded seat eval in progress. This is going to be day 3 on TPT, new account with a new sale. Yeah, can't hate on that. Oh, we were also we were charting up. Okay. Okay, we want to look at the Rocket Scooter UVXY chart because we are sitting right below MHP on the UVXY. Very important level. Monthly hedge pressure determined by Rocket Scooter and Matt's killer algorithms. 36.75. Poked above it briefly while we were, like, I don't know what was happening. We'll have to look at it. 36.75. We just rejected off of it. So, I guess when this poked above was when we topped. So a poke above would certainly not be bullish for more topping. Oh, look, we were above, man. See, this is why my UVXY strategy can be overpowered by just extreme bullishness. Oh, we got headlines. Jensen Wong says, top of the hour just came in. Still in the middle of this Ripsy range here. Got stopped out, I think, over in funded seat. Let's check it. I'm not going to take it in my funded. Stopped out. Boo. Hard to chase longs. You can see I've been very busy today to get this $381.76, but that's okay. So, based on where our Ripsy levels are at this moment, be tempted to see a visit to the 46. This EMA has been somewhat supportive thanks to this level, but I think if we continue to press down, meanwhile, oil up in a higher level from yesterday-ish, medium-ish, same as yesterday, kind of basing. So it's up high, it's up above 100. That's important. There goes that long. Yep. Okay. Never hit the 89.25. Maybe we're heading there. Sucks that we got stopped out. Now, I am watching VIX trying to potentially break through that monthly hedge pressure. Oh, the other important level to watch, 37.50 HP. Let's get a cool blue line for that. 37.50. $37.50. Don't want to see this at all up here. That big crash day that I got blasted on. Ready blue. No, I want chartreuse. Or I want that blue. That's your HP MHP combo pack. Meanwhile, 35.50 will act as your support resistance pivot. We're nowhere near the half gap. There is no half gap. We must have not gapped on the VIX. That's weird. No, we'll figure out the half gap. We'll do it ourselves. Is there a gap in here? The gap? No, no gap. No gap. Stayed within range. So I guess yesterday's half gap is the one to watch for. It has been pivoty today. There it goes. Resisting from this MHP right here. Also, previous day's close hanging out of this area. Like this music, guys. We're gonna keep riding this 2-minute 9 EMA, 8 EMA all the way to the north side, heading to the 89. I don't know. Anyways, back to the eval. $219 away from passing this bad boy. I would love to just grab a mini and just call it a day, but trying to respect my rules. I see oil getting a bit of a rejection from its open. That's kind of cool. Definitely want to see it go below the prior day's low, where it's been definitely supportive over here. Oh, nope. This 135 level, huge supportive. I'm even gonna. Okay, so we got the 100, but remember the 135 level is being supportive. That could crash the market if we get a big base above that. Then again, if we break below it, market's gonna fly. There goes the oil. VIX Prime getting a pop. Let's be cautious here. We go. Heading to the high. Not gonna short it, that's for sure. If you're out here shorting, guys, sorry for your loss. That's all I can say. Squawk always goes to lunch. Definitely resistance on the 80s. Let's see if it pushes through. Will it pop? Will it pop, 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 pop? Beautiful, beautiful day in the market. Just for review, the only red candles of the day are when I blew my builder account. I only had $500 in it. But it was raw. I was like, oh, we're super bullish. I'm just gonna buy it off the EMAs. Nope. Blah 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 blah. Splat. I got wicked out over here off of this yellow line, whatever that is. What is this line? The daily open. We held the open. Honestly, the trade was long open, re-long open, re-long open. That's probably been the trade for the last 2 months. I suck at the open, so I don't tend to play it much. Clearly, I blew an account somehow during all that. Going long, I should add. Where is the squawk? How's everybody doing out there in the market land? Watching this oil level very closely, you guys. This is very curious to me. Oh, look at the dumpage. A trade for me. Dang, man, ain't nobody trading now. Got a squawk on. Sorry for the delay. Oh no! I was gonna sneeze, and then I lost my earbud, and then I didn't sneeze. It's a disaster. We're crashing out. I should lock my account. I'm on tilt. Definitely tilted from all that. Alright, we're back. Good. I'm fine. Oil caught the bounce. VIX not giving it up. VIX Prime got a bottom in it. Very low volatility though. So when the volatility is low, the volatility of the volatility is low. That is measured by something we call the VVIX. Let's take a look at the VVIX. The VVIX. The VIX of the VIX. Oh yeah, see this is the thing. The VVIX crashing down means that our volatility is compressing, but the volatility of the volatility is compressing, which means that there's going to be even less variation in volatility, which means there's going to be less range of less range, which means we are going to be chopped at this level. That's my interpretation of the VVIX crash. Am I right? I don't know. Correct me in the chat, everybody. I think I hear Matt taking a short. Yeah, I don't think the VVIX is very helpful for our charting needs. The sticky VIX is not really inspiring me. Oh, it's a 30-minute chart. No wonder it looks like it's not moving. Let's do that. Here we go. Here we go. Another 2 minutes. Let's do 10-minute charts all over. Let's do 10 minutes across the board. It really shows you where the resistances are. Okay, we're on 10-10-10. In the middle of this range. Not sure if I love it. Now, we did have, thanks to our rocket scooter. Oh, we're starting to curl a little bit. Curl to the curl overside. Let's watch and see if maybe a short will manifest up here. Yeah, we're not shorting off of anything. We're just in the middle of bullshit. So I'm not taking it. Friend is your friend. Oh, I love that tea. Yeah, we're continuing to the highs. Testing the 80 level here. Pause. Hey, there's the press to 80. While we're here, we can just chart up some other Ripsy levels to the north and south side. Love the Rips levels. Love me some Rips, guys. Oh, you know what the fuck? What am I doing, man? On this stupid. So everyone's being very nice on Twitter right now, which is rare. But I want to hear. Oh fuck, it's just not on. All right. Well, in any event, Ripsy's levels to the north side. We got 732. 685. Ooh, now that is an attractive long. If we happen to drop down to here, that's 675. Nope, that's 685. Yeah, 685.50. 85.50. Booyah. This is a target right here, you guys, where this blue EMA and the green level will intersect. Just like this line was supportive while we had this EMA approaching. That was on the 2 minute. This is on the 10, but the 10 still applies. Let's check it out. Okay, one more level to the upside. That would be 29,880. Oh damn! Oh damn! So you're telling me that we jump from 32 to 89 to 81? That's a 100-point gap up there. 881. Okay, Rips. Okay, Rips. I see you. I'm not gonna try to short it if we get into that gap. Damn. All right. Okay, it's 881.25. All right, there's your Rips levels, everybody. That's what we're playing with today. Now let's switch over to the 2 minute. Still holding below. Look at this. Look at this. Look what's going on right here. What's up there on this VIX candle? VIX Prime, meanwhile, not necessarily agreeing. Switch it to the 10. Check out the bottom wick. These candles do not match. More bottom wick on the VIX Prime while the UVXY is crushing. I don't know what to make of that. It's a no confluence trade for me, just FYI. VIX breaks below the prior day low. Now that would be fireworks. Maybe that's what happens. That's how we get our extra 100 points from here, is we break below the yesterday low. Look at the UVXY crushing though. On the 10. See what's going on the 2? I have it on the 2 on another screen. It's at an EMA of 3650. Watch this 3650, 3645. Let's consult Rocket Scooter now just to confirm what our bias is at the 3650. Yeah, see, we're below MHP. We just crashed below the MHP level, and we got nothing until 3550. So, nothing really conclusive from the UVXY at this moment. Market is pulling back, but I'm not going to read too much into that. It looks like it's just a healthy little rest period. Although oil crack-a-lack into the downside. That's interesting. That's interesting. It does look like we were about to potentially dump here, so it's a tough long. But I see oil and VIX heading in the right direction. That makes me want to be long biased. All right, I got in 1 from 757, middle of the stupid range, but I'll keep longing all the way to the 30s as long as the VIX and the oil are doing what they're doing. Oh, look, we're green. Fun. FundedSeat, I'm coming for you, baby. Oh, sorry. Hey, Rocco. Hey, it's a visit from our favorite Rocky dog. Hey, bud. Rocky's here. Oh, we like Rocky a lot. He's pretty good all the time. That's about it. That's about all I have to say about Rocky. Simple dude. All right, I like the lower EMA tap on the long. We caught that just right. Now, will we continue to resist at the 80s is my question. We caught it just right. Just right. Now, let's see what happens when we get to that pre-market high level right here. So it's back to the 2 minute. The 2 and the 2 and the 2. This is still on the 10. Look at the bounce! Yes, sir! Rips didn't give me that level. That was just me. Just me. Strop is in. Oh, and rejected. Why would that be? Oh, because UVXY is bouncing off the pre-market high. Caution out there, if you're not already long, don't jump in here. I wouldn't suggest it. The UVXY bounce while oil approaches potential huge support. Oil to get a monkey bounce from here, and it would just plummet the market. We are at the high, the all-time high, the high of the day, and we're finding resistance. I'm in a long from an EMA test, and it's proving to be good so far, but I'm not chasing it. I got in 15 points ago. It's tough to chase the longs up here. You always got to be cautious. Always have a stop in. Music has got me feeling good, y'all. Okay, the VIX and the oil are starting to disagree. Let's get them on the same time frame. Just to be extra apples to apples. Yeah, see, the oil did get the bounce. This is the level right here, this 101.35-ish. Huge supportive pivotive level. I like pivotive. We're gonna keep that. Nice push to the 75. Are we gonna get smacked? Uh-oh. No, not you, TradingView, not you. Be gone. Yikes. Sorry, that probably looked weird. Trying to do over here. You knew. Whoops. Still resisty from 75. I'm gonna move my stop up. Stop is now at 63. You know what? I'll even keep it. You know what? Fine, we'll keep it there. But we could potentially just be riding this 20 EMA to the north side. Yeah. Resisty from 75-ish. But we never got to the 89, so that's why I'm staying long. If you were to come back down to 761, you could potentially make an argument to get long there. So I'm actually going to move my stop down below that level because I would be buying it if we got to 61. I'm going to get 60.50. Target here is 89. At least 80. That was the previous all-time high. Let's see how we react there. Oil breaking down a little bit, but watch out for the monkey bounce. It likes to do that. It likes to go do a liquidity grab. Ironically enough, the way that we harvest oil is the same way that it charts. It goes down for a liquidity grab and sucks it back to the moon. So watch out for a monkey bounce here on oil, which would crash the market. Not crash the market, which would drop the market to a more reasonable level where you could probably buy it for a future bounce. Buy low, sell high. Ipso facto, stopped out. Glad that we raised our stops and we didn't get too excited on the long. Now, could you potentially get long again here? Let's check. Oil is still putting in some downside, but I don't like the lower wick here. It tells me that there's a bounce coming. Wow, what did I tell you guys? Watch out for the monkey bounce on the oil because it's gonna drop the market. You're welcome. Now, I'm curious about if we're anywhere near our 10-minute EMA entry that I saw earlier. Nope. This is now like somewhat interesting again where it was supportive before. Let's see how it is on the 5. Okay, we are losing the 5-minute 8 EMA. This is noteworthy. We're going to watch that on the 5. Let's watch everybody on the 5 here. We're testing it again. Okay, nice pop there. Nice pop there. We reclaim it and we can maybe make a run for those 80s again. Where I really want this thing is I want to buy the farts out of it when we get down to 32 again. That's where you want to go monkey long. Still watching this oil level for potential support. Caution on longs. Definitely not a short. Love this tea. Peach tea, everybody. Black tea with peach. Nice push to 60, but I don't think it's got the legs on this one, guys. Second, Exhibit B. It's low volume. I mean, it is only a minute in the candle, but volume is not rising here at the top. VIX volume kind of rising. Oil volume definitely rising. So I fucking knew it. Horizontal line. You're blowing it for my... Oh, that was a little bit of like next episode for a second. To the beat. Look at the push to 80 now. I was wrong. It had the legs. I didn't think it had the volume, but it has the legs. Still resisting off the ATHs. Testing 75 where we previously had resistance and is testing it from above, so it could be supportive. I'm not chasing it for a 5-point run. Okay, oil getting the bounce, UVXY getting the rejection. We're doing a rotation from oil to VIX that chops us. That's chop, 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 chop. VIX up, oil down, VIX up, VIX down, oil up. They're running the gears to make sure we don't run smooth. Chop, 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 chop. Now, oil rejecting and VIX rejecting, that's got my attention. That's got my attention. I'm flipping this guy over. Let's see where we are on the 2-minute with the EMAs. With regard to the EMAs. All right, that's 760, still a little bit supportive. I see the VIX rejection. Tempted to grab along here. We are 15 points from the high. Really wanted it 730. I'm gonna wait. Unless I see oil get a really, yep, that's why. That oil top wick right there got me in. Said, unless I see oil do something cool, I'm not interested in chasing the long up here. But we have EMA support at 760. Ooh, I'm long 62.75-ish. There's our 63 bounce. All right, added a couple more. Whoa. Okay. Losing that EMA could send us down to the 32 level, and that's where I will hammer it. Okay, getting a little bit of a bounce here. Still red on the position. That 65 is going to now be resistive with the 9 EMA above, which we lost. We have to test it, reclaim it. Okay, I like the VIX not bouncing off the pre-market high. Still rejecty from that 65. Oil's getting the bounce now. Everybody watch out. This is not a good long anymore. Looking to get out of it. Oil's getting spicy there. Everything's getting spicy here. All right, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I see the VIX trying to probe lower. Damn, rejecting from our entry. Okay, our indicators are starting to point against us. I'm preparing to size down. VIX prime just gapped down. VIX prime gapped down, everybody. I don't know what that means. Just letting you know. 1778 on the VIX prime. Again, VIX below 1776, very bullish for the market, in my opinion. None of this is financial advice. You're just watching me do my thing, for whatever that's worth. I'm going to put in a stop loss, because I don't love what we're seeing develop here. Again, we are just fucking around choppiness. 296. If I go down to 730, that's a $300 loss. Huh. Where we got this? VIX breaking down. There's the VIX Prime breaking down. Confusing price action. I'm longing more just on the VIX action here. Oil pushing here. Okay, VIX Prime at 1776. If it puts in a bounce, it's going to be a nasty one. So we're going to move our stops up a little bit. That's why. That's why. Oil's kind of pressing here. I would love to see a top wick form on oil. Oh, stopped out. Stopped out. Took up most of our profit on the day. That's a good stop out, though, in my opinion. Oh, we're at 30. We're at 30. It was not a good stop out. Okay, I'm super long now from 30. I said I was going to yam it. Whoa. Whoa. Big ol' dump there. Everybody be careful out there. You don't have to yammer it like I did. All right, I'm out of 10, out of 20. Those are mostly break even. Stop is in. Let's see what happens here. There we go. There we go. I'm out of a few more. That was 5, I think. That was 6. Look at the VIX. Look at the VIX Prime, everybody. Look at the VIX breaking down. Booyah. Long thesis in one chart. 2 charts, really, if you count the rips level. Holla rips! Out of 1 more. Out of 2 more. Out of 3 more. All right. Still resisty from there. I'm just taking some profits, y'all. Just taking some profits. Stop is now going to get moved down to protect our position. I still like the... Ooh! I still like the long. Not anymore. Okay. That's all right. Very dumpy. Very dumpy. VIX got the bottom wick. That's what happened here. I'm still going to look for the long, though. Still looking for the long off of 30. I'm just going to get it with less size this time. Okay, that's 34 is my position here. Next position down, 85. Next line down. Added 5 more here. If we start to lose the bottom of that wick, I will look to size the fuck down. This looks like it's got a little bit of news on it. I like the top wick on oil. Here we go. Uh-oh. We are longing into the high. Not always the easiest strategy to play out because when the selling starts, it does not stop. Look at that oil pumping after the liquidity grab, as I described. 15 micros might be a little heavy here. We're losing the 30 level. Losing Ripsy's 30 level. Oh, man. All right, I'm sizing down. Out of 5 there. Dang. Very dumpy. Very dumpy. Still looking to buy it, though. Especially if we reclaim the 32 level. I got back in. My average is 31 now. Let's get back above. Ooh. Getting some velocity here. I'm going to add a stop loss. Never be ashamed of having a stop loss. Especially on a big position like this. I will not be adding to this. I will only be subtracting size. Market is speeding up. You can feel it. You can feel it speeding up. Now, it doesn't have a lot of room to speed up to the upside, in my opinion. So is it speeding up to the downside? I don't know. That makes me a little nervous. I'm out of 5 there. I'm moving my stop to break even. So you've watched me manage my positions here within profits. This is on an eval. This is day 3 of FundedSeat. Long 10 micros. Looking to... Oh, man. Here we go. Here we go. Back to the reclaim of 30. Still resisting a bit. All right, I'm out of 5 more. That was just a profit. De-risk. Taking my profit when I had it. Just got 5 micros here from the bottom of the dip. Great time for someone to squawk. Turn this guy down. There we go. Now the long's working better. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to take off one just in profit. I'm going to move my stop up. Oh, see, that's why. That's why. Because at any point we can press down. Look at the VIX, man. VIX is getting wild. I want to get long again. It's tempting me in. Luring me in for the kill. We're above the 730. UVXY is down to a pivot. All right, we tested and held 30. Nope, we did not. VIX falling, oil top wick. I added 5 more. Oh boy, it's getting spicy down here, guys. 720s to 730s. I'd love to see 730 get reclaimed on this long move. Definitely oil reacting here. Okay, VIX Prime got a dump again. There's the UVXY on the dump. Watch for bounces though. 1773 on the VIX Prime. Interesting that being below the prior day low has not moved the market up. I find that noteworthy. We're not going to add any more to this position. We're actually going to subtract from it, I think. Yeah, that's why. That's weirdness. It's weirdness, you guys. Loss of 30. Pressing. Wow. 700 now. All right, added on the 700 test. Oh, a bit of a dive. Full size here. I'm going to size down on any... Oh, gosh. Pressed it down. Bouncing. VIX is getting weird, you guys. VIX is getting weird. Oil pumping. This could be news related. All right, putting in a stop loss. Big stop loss, big position. I got 5s. Okay. Don't want to see continuation on a red candle. You want to see it hold that bottom wick. Sizing down. Red on the day. Oh, there's the bounce. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now is our bounce. Okay, 500 in the hole here. Gonna take some profits when we see them. There's the red on the oil. Wow. Gotta get some follow through here. Dude. Okay, now we can move up. Out of 5. 10, 15, 20, half position now. Out of 5 more. Taking my profit as we ride it up. Stop is now at break even. We're long 15 from the bottom. See how it goes. I will take more profit if I start to see this top wicking like that. Took some profit there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Still selling. VIX is gapping down, you guys. What the fuck is going on? All right, took it out 2 more there. Stop is in now. I don't even know how to. Oh, that's how we change the chart. So I'm tempted to jump in backpacks here. That's what I'm looking for. VIX is bouncing. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. That's why. Yeah, not as bullish as I wanted it to be, y'all. I'm gonna take off a couple more just in a little bit more profit. VIX could just snap back up and just ruin this move for everybody. Well, at least we're getting some action here on Trading for All Audiences. I thought this eval was in the bag. Goes to show. Don't get too comfortable at all-time highs, especially going long at all-time highs, as we did. Okay, I see oil with the rejection. Might get stopped out right here, and I will jump back in if that is the case. Oil's got to get under that level. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, now I'm looking for the backpack on the oil rejection. EMA above. Okay, VIX, very weird candle in my opinion. Oil is kind of still pressing. That oil candle goes red. All right, I'm in a backpack. 1 backpack. And I'm going to risk the bottom of the range. 375 on the backpack. Let's see how high it can go. Uh-oh, oil got a bounce. Okay, there's our backpack working. Backpack working, backpack working, stop, break even, backpack working, backpack working. Okay, out of the backpack. That brings us basically back to break even on the day. Meanwhile, our MNQs are still doing the work on the other chart. Boop. Still doing the work with 6 MNQ. I'm going to take 1 off and some profits here. And we're green again on the day. We did reject from 26 perfectly. Mm-hmm. Nice press. Taking 1 more off as we hit that resistance. Back to 30. Back to 30. Are we going to reject it? Taking 1 more off there. Just in the event we reject. Now a reclaim makes me want to have a backpack. 32 now. Yeah, watch out for the 30 rejection. Now, I would love to see a 30 reclaim up to 39 for the next level up. All right, we did it. We reclaimed the 30. Let's go. Oh. All right, gotta have a stop loss on your backpack. We're risking 275 on this. That's pretty much how much we made on the last backpack. we go. Let's go up to 40. Let's go up to 40. No! It is a bear flag, guys. Just be aware. Be a aware bear. Oh, that's why. Yuck. Yuck. Wow. Stopped out. Damn. Look at that. Top wick. Fucked us off of 30. Got fuckulated. All right. Oil's rejecting. I'm in a mega backpack. Let's get this. There it is. There it is. There it is. Out of one. Stop loss break even. Come on, push. Come on and push it. There we go. Yes. Out of another backpack. Out of all the backpacks for a $300 profit, and the MNQs are still working. Let's get this eval passed. Yes, taking off one more in profit on the MNQs. We're 100 away from passing, ladies and gentlemen. 100 away. We're going to move our stops up. We're not going to let this profit get away from us. I will take another trade to get the job done if this doesn't have the continuation that I'm looking for. We're above the 40. We're above 40. I'm going to take one more off there in profit. That's all that is. We could easily reject here. But I do like the 30 retest and hold. So let's put it under 30. 28 is my stop now. Woo! It's exciting! All right, we did it! The VIX Prime chart is freaking me out, you guys. What is this? What is going on with these candles? This is crazy shit. Caution is all that should tell you guys. Caution. Oil is pushing and VIX is getting funky. Just watch out below, mainly. Okay, we held the 32 test. Now we come back down and test 32 again, and I'm going to take it in my funded for the hold over 30. Yep, I took it.
Order filled.
Long from, oh man, that was a bad fill. 34.50? 34.25. All right, fine. Very easy stop loss situation. We start to lose 30 again, and the trade is dead. Like the topping look from the oil. Oil makes a new high that also hurts our thesis. Interesting. One more tap to 30.
Order filled.
I added one more. My cost basis is 31.75. I'm adding on the EMA. Not quite. Yeah, so much for that idea. Ruh-roh. Red trade. So we have a hanging man doji off of the 30. We get stopped out over here? We did. All right, we're re-entering over here as well. The stop loss at the bottom. Not that bad. Gotta manage the actual funded. Trying to get back to 30s. It's trying. Losing that EMA. We got another one down at 62.85 is our next support. Precarious here, guys. Be very cautious. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Almost green on these trades. I like the oil rejection. Getting some volume though, so let's be extra careful here. Stop losses in case we get a knife. Knife insurance, I like to call that. Oh, that's why. That's why. Holy shit.
Order filled.
But I longed it again anyway.
Order filled.
Because we got down to the 80s. Not seeing a reaction from oil.
Order filled.
Sizing down in profit. Damn, that was a little $200 loss. That sucked. Where are we here? Oh, we got stopped out here. Okay. Well, that shit happens, man. Okay. Another visit to 785 helps me get more long. But we are below these EMAs now. Let's check it on the 5 or the 10. Oh, 5 and 10 are pretty damning. The 10 is helping. That 89 level, very strong. Okay, now we're green. That 85 bounce was a beauty. I got along with 15 micros over here. There we go. Nice. Out of a couple. Just a couple. Taking profits when you get them. Stop losses in. Now to our funded. We are green! Yay! Stop is at break even. Out of one more on the push. Beautiful push. Out of a couple more over here. Oh, we're past. We're past. We're past. We're past. We're past. 3, 2, 1. Past! Ha 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 ha! Gotcha, bitch! Ha ha! No, you did get me on the funded, so, you know, it'd be like that. However, we're back at the 30s, y'all. Back at the 30s, taking one off for profit. All right, we got the loss back. It was a tough wick out on the stop hunt. That's what they call it. UVXY chart looks insane right now. All right, we passed the funded seat. All right, let's close them up for now until we get that activated. I don't know what that sound was. It scared me. Dong. Okay, here we are. No trades today in TPT. Not sure if I'm going to take this 30 trade or not in here. We're already long on the funded. Just one micro here. Let's watch that one. When I get another good trade set up like this 85 tap, I will get in the TPT. This 30 to 80 level has been sketchy. You saw me take a loss on that, so I'm not gonna tempt fate too much here. You see oil trying to put in a bounce. As long as it stays under 101, I'm happy. Stop is in again. See, this 30 is resisty. Gotta definitely recapture it. Here. And Twitter just crashed. All right, fine. Ooh, all right. Squawk is back, guys. Squawk is back. Can't hear it, though. It might be that nobody's talking. Yeah, anybody? Maybe they're just being quiet. Oh, I heard somebody breathe. Okay, they're there. Squawk is here, everybody. All right, we might be reclaiming the 30 level. I'm busy. It's other stuff. Boop. Okay, that's the 30 claim. Not enough for me to like really long it with gusto. We're in lunch, so it's hard to have follow through, more likely to have profit taking, especially as oil's pressing. Look at that. Holding the EMA is good, but that 30 level's got to get held or the long is not going to work. Double hanging man on the EMA, or just above, really. Here's oil at 101. Looks like it's rejecting 101. That's good. Oof.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Damn. I will re-enter here because we clearly have support in the 80s and 90s. The oil rejection makes me want to be long.
Order filled.
All right, we're green on the trade. That's good news. Stops at break even. I'm gonna get out of 1 on the EMA. All right, I'm out of 1
Order
there.
filled.
Nice. Okay, that EMA test above is tricky here. We could easily reject from it if this is truly going to be a change in trend. That would be a pretty telling rejection. If we said send it downside, I'll probably stop being interested in longing until we get to 80s, just like that. I'm out of
Order
1 more
filled.
just in a profit. We get stopped at the last one here. I do like the bottom wicks here. The defensive profit taking. Still resisting from the EMA, but I'm looking for the backpack. I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Ooh, 36 bounce on the UVXY. 1763 VIX Prime. Market does not care. Okay, I like that topping from oil. Nope, 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 nope. Now, I'm looking for a chase on the 32 break. Break and hold to 40 at least. All right, I'm long in the
Order
backpack.
filled.
Oh, that EMA, that pesky EMA. Prepared to jump out of the backpack. You gotta be quick on the backpack. Fuck you. Oh, come on. Ugh.
Order filled.
Damn, stopped out of the micro. Oh, and it was a stop hunt on that micro too, because now we're getting a bounce. Oh, driving down, driving down. Move my stop out of the way. Not how a backpack is supposed to work. I think we're bouncing here. Okay, stop is back up where it was. Bounce is starting. Bounce is starting. Bounce is starting. Come on, get over 30. Let's go to 30. Let's go visit 30. Not just my entry. Let's go visit the actual number. Come on, let's go visit the number. Let's go visit the number. Give me the number. Let's visit it. Let's engulf this red fucking candle. The VIX is just dying. The VIX is dying. Here we go. Here we go. Get over the EMA. Get over the EMA. Get over the EMA. Go to 30. Go to 30. Moving up my stop. Stops in at break even. Okay. I'm in. Backpack is working. Backpack is working. We're at 30. We're at 30. Don't reject 30, you fucker. There we go. We're above 30. Above 30. 32. 32. Let's get to... All right, I'm out. I'm out of the
Order
backpack.
filled.
It's too stressful. It's too fucking stressful. All right, big green on the day. Let's get back to the MNQ chart so I can stop shaking. That backpack put some fucking grays in my hair, baby. All right, I got long 5 micros because I do want to still be long on this move over 30. Half a backpack now. Out of 1,
Order filled.
out of 2, out of 3.
Order filled.
Now I just got the 2 micros. God, those are break-even fills. TopStep, making me look bad. Fucking with my fucking averages, man. All right, I'm out of 1
Order
more.
filled.
At least this is now a green trade, assholes. All right, we did it. We did it.
Order filled.
Green over at Thou Wow. Back to where we started. All right. Oh, I do like that engulfingness that I see here. I like that a lot. I'm
Order
longing it
filled.
again. Oh, I don't like the UVXY bouncing on this bear flag. I always confuse those two things. Probably got too heavy on this position. Probably got too heavy. Damn. Wow, immediate rejection. Immediate. Now we are having this EMA interaction at 780 again. All right, I added at 700 where those EMAs are on the chart. 80 is going to be my stop. Oh, fuck, oil's now doing stuff. EMA support so far. What is that fucking sound? That wasn't me. All right, see volume coming into oil. Now we got the knife insurance in. Okay, still rejecting from our entry here. Turn this candle green would be awesome. That EMA is still resisting us from above, and it's the rips level above. Okay, green on the position, red on the position. Damn. Watching oil reject here at 101. Yes. Okay, nice push. Let's get above this EMA. Very good. Pushing. Oh, rejected the EMA. All right.
Order filled.
Took an L on the first 5. My ad is now green. Do not like the resistance off of the EMA. That's about a $100 loss on the first 5.
Order
Taking
filled.
some more profits. Okay, now we're back. Now we're back over at Thou Wow. That was a good exit, guys. Very, very, very good exit. I'm gonna even take
Order
one
filled.
more off of that stupid EMA resisting us from above. Ah, that's so frustrating. At least we're green on the trade. The VIX is dying, guys. The VIX is just falling off the world. Look at the VIX, 1760 now. Remember 1776 was supposed to be the pivot. Redonkulous. Redonkulous. Should have been a fucking spell in Harry Potter. Redonkulous. I'm taking one more off on the fucking EMA tab. You motherfuckers. Now, if we happen to break above 32, I've got my entry from 700 below off of that sort of like 95 area. I'm not going to take another backpack here. No, I'm not. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, where was... I missed everything. What is the... Where's... Nah. Okay. Trade is still working. Nice. If we get above this 40, I will be extremely happy. Yes. Send me back to 80s, baby. Yeah. 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 All right. UVXY down. Oil down. Market go up. Woo. All right. Very good, everybody. Very good. Very good. I'm taking my profits here. I thought.
Order
Fill
filled.
me, motherfucker. 1161 on the day. I didn't like the top wick from the 40s where we've had mega rejections before. Now, I would love to go all the way back to the all-time high, but I'm not going to just sit there and watch my stop get hit again. All right, let's check out TPT. See what we can make up over here. We're very near the top. As you can see, we were only 40 points from the all-time high. It's a difficult place to trade from. Okay. That oil 101 rejection was sweet. Okay, I'm now paying attention to the 2-minute on NQ. That's how we do our hyper scalpy. Where's our EMAs? We just reclaimed them all. Love it. Love it. But we've got resistance. Definitely from like 60s. 20 points above. Okay, watch out now. VIX, bottom wick. I think VIX may have found a bottom. Everyone be very cautious on any chasing longs here. I'm just going to let you know, 740 may be a stall for us because the VIX is starting to do something. Now, we get a retest over here of 30 with the EMA support. I got to take it. Over here, flat. Tempting. Tempting. That VIX bottom wick has got me a little cautious here, though. Oh, no. No bottom wick on VIX, then. Okay. Still resistance now from 50. The resistance is moving down with passing time. We did just poke our head above, but it might be a little bit of a false break. Oh, now we're pushing above 50. I jump in. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
I guess I technically front ran it because my position is at 49, 13. So I talked myself kind of out of the long, and then I got in the long, and then it dunked on me. Okay, we're above the 45 resistance. Let's get us to 50. There's 50. Oi! And rejected off of 50. All right, I'm putting some stops in. Wow, that was a really swift rejection from 50. Don't see what caused that. That might just be a technical resistance. Okay, now we're green. Nope, not green. There we go. Now we're green. Now we're green. I got out of one. Got out of one on the top wick there. Ooh, that sounded weird. Okay, oil above 101. Caution, everybody. Move my stop down to below the EMA. That's what that white line is. Big press down. Move my stop down because we're still hanging on the EMA. And that was that 30 tap. Oh, that's that 30 tap, baby. I added 2 minis on the 30 tap. Yeah, baby. Let's get it. To the highs. We ride at dawn. Like what I see from UVXY. We got to get oil on board here. Whoa. Pressing to the downside. I'd be losing this level. All right, I got stopped out of one.
Stop filled.
I added 2 more.
Order filled.
I want to go back to 30. Fans are kicking on my machine, though, so this could be a sell-off. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. I tried to catch the knife.
Order rejected.
I tried to catch the knife.
Order
Oh,
filled.
and we're busted. Sorry, TPT. Did it again.
Order filled.
Got it in the funded. Fans are quieting down now. I think the selling is done.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's long 3. Took 3 out in profit. I like the bottom wicks that I'm seeing from this area. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oil. Whoa. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I want that 80 again. Get a push here. I'm gonna get out. Back to the EMA. Oof. Oof. Dumpy. Okay, oil's pressing. I'm out of 2, and that's an L. I will add when we hit this 80. Okay, top wick on oil. I like the oil rejection as we're at 700. Let's see how 700 holds here on the market. Holding the 700s. Got big support at 680. I'm adding into 680.
Order filled.
I will exit everything if we lose 680. All right, I'm seeing the VIX do stuff too. Wow, oil did not reject, you guys. Oil did not reject. We're to the 90s. My cost basis is 700. Oil's pushing. I do not like this one bit. Oil, stop. There's 90s. Like that EMA touch. I'm out.
Order filled.
Fuck that. It's $300 loss. Sucks. I will re-enter if we get a good bounce here. There's our 80. Yeah, we lost it. It was a good stop out.
Order filled.
All right, I got back in on 10 micros on the bounce. Oil 101.50 rejection. Okay, we held the 80. Oh, 85 is the level. Dang. Hope we get above 85. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Back above 85.
Order filled.
Taking a little bit off as we
Order
interact with that
filled.
EMA. My stop is at break even. Maybe I wasn't a good stop out. I was just in too early. I'm out
Order
of one
filled.
more at 700. You know, make
Order
it 2 at
filled.
700. Okay, 700s didn't hold.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Took some more profit.
Order filled.
Long
Order
4.
filled. Order filled.
Nice. We're back up into the 1,000. Look at our position. That's just called position management, you guys. We're back green, back way green on the trade.
Order filled.
Out of one more, 1,070. Actually, we might not be that green, but I do like this. I do like the look of that 80 hold, you guys. Okay, watching oil here. All right, I'm long a
Order
backpack.
filled.
I'm long a backpack, and I'm gonna put my stop underneath that EMA. Whew, that's a long stop. Come on, don't reject from the entry of the backpack. That's no fun. Damn. Holding that EMA. That's good. Fans are going again on the computer, guys. Apologies if the stream gets a little laggy. I like what I see from oil. Damn, it was a risky backpack. Might have been a bad idea. Damn, that's an expensive backpack. Ouch, ouch. Come on, 85, hold us. Losing
Order
85.
filled.
Damn, stopped out on the micro. Okay, back above 85. I
filled.
added to the backpack.
Order filled.
Hold above 85 or I start to lose this whole backpack. Hold above 85. We're up at 90. We're up at 90. We do have that EMA resisting us now above. Below 85. UVXY rejected. Good on the backpack. Come on now. Come on now. We got above the EMA. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Almost went green. And rejecting. Not great. New candle. New candle. Still rejecting our entry. Shitty. Losing 80.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Full backpack here. Full backpack. Under 85 though. Get above 85. Come on. Oil. Fuck. Oil's fucking us here. What just happened?
Filled.
Oh my god. I don't know what just happened. I hit DLL. Fuck me. Forgot about the DLL again. God damn it. That was a terrible trade, you guys. Terrible, terrible trade. Fuck, that fucking hurt. Ouch. Ouch. Fuck me. That sucked, you guys. I got in too heavy on a backpack, on a fucking funded, man. Ugh. Okay, how do I activate this thing? Oh, we're in. Okay, back to trade C. Oh my god, that dump. Loss of 85. What's below there? Okay, wait, account is locked because it's an eval. Account is active because it's funded. Okay, we're in the MNQs. Damn. 640 is a level. All right, I'm long 10 micros from the 640 tap. That is a rips level, even though I didn't have it on the chart. Whoa, big dumping still, losing the 40. Okay, now I'm long 20 micros. Catching this knife. Fucking hell, this selling. Nice bottom wick here. Turn this candle green. Can we turn green? Bounce is not looking strong here, y'all. Top wick on oil. Big volume coming in. Oil still pressing up, guys. Damn. I see that 101.50 get a rejection. UVXY is trying to find more lows. Hope it doesn't give us a bounce. 101.50 looks to be rejecting on oil. Okay, now we're bouncing. Finally putting in a bounce. Don't reject it. Don't reject it. We just engulfed on this 2-minute. Green on the trade. All right. Moving my stop up. Harrowing longing here at the all-time highs, huh? Oil's still pressing. I'm going to start taking some profit here. Okay, still long 9. And my stop up, long 8. Took profit on 1. Oh, stopped out. Wow. Stopped in profit, but damn. Glad I took those profits when I did. We got $59 in the newly activated FundedSeat. Got back in with 5. Here we go. Here we go. Not a 1, just in profit. Now I'm going to go over to the NQ chart. Yeah, it's like that. Oil rejection. God, you think I learned my lesson about backpacks now, huh? Okay, green on backpacks. Out of 1 in profit. Stop loss. Didn't get hit. Damn it. It didn't take my stop. Okay, stop is in on the backpack. That was my mistake on TopStep. Gotta put those stops in on the backpack. Gotta put the stops in on the backpack. $640 reclaim is nice, but we're resisting from 45 now. Get above 45. Here we go. Here we go. I want to get a chance to move my stop up. I want to move my stop up. Okay, stop is up. Oh, and stopped out. Okay. Lost the 640. Stopped out of my micro. Whoa. Uh-oh, and a bounce as I was changing the chart over. 30s though. Seeing the bounce on oil. Okay, I got a long 10 micros. 15. I think oil's going to reject again. Whoa, still pressing downward. Oil 101.55, not great. Out of this position. Look at that press down. Rough. Okay, I like the top wick from oil though. I'm gonna move my stop down a little bit, just giving a little room to breathe. Top wick on oil. Got another long. That's all I got. That's all I got. Pressing. Fans are blowing on the computer. That bottom wick. Some green. We're getting on the position. Briefly. And rejecting our entry. Come on now. Oh, I don't like that reaction from our entry one bit. Oil's trying. Damn. Okay. Little liquidity test below the bottom of that wick. I like it. Still like it for the long. Still like it for the long. Moving up my stop a little bit. I still like it for the long. I will size down if this starts to rocket downside. Oil's doing craziness. Oil's still pressing, you guys. Gotta stop. Don't love that candle trying to turn red one bit. Stay green, you motherfucker. Come on. Top wicking to the entry. Okay, at entry. Get this press now. Come on. We're green. Very green. Out of 5. Out of 5 more. Out of 5 more. Still long 5. Stop is in at break even. We ticked mostly the bottom here. I'm out of 1 more in profit. I'm going to let the rest ride. Especially if we see bigger rejection from oil. A reclaim of 640 would get me interested in an NQ backpack. Let's make sure my stop is in. Yeah, stop is in. Okay, oil is not giving me the rejection that I wanted for the backpack, but I see the market just pressing with momentum. There's my 2 backpacks. There we go, here we go. Press it, press it, press it. Or reject it. Fuck it. All right, I'm out of 1 of the backpacks in profit. Want to get my stop at break even. Okay, stop is in at break even. There, good press, good press, good press. I like that oil. God damn it. Stopped out of the backpack at break even. Okay, oil under 101.50 is another long. At 101.50. See what happens. $6.40. Now resisting. All right, now I'm back in again. 46, damn. It's a little slow on the trigger there, y'all. Sorry about that. Whoa, whoa. Speeding up. Which direction are we gonna go? I'm in a double backpack. Speeding up, speeding up. There we go. There we go. Out of 1 backpack in profit. Stop loss is in. Stopped out. No worries. I will re-enter. 101.53 oil. Caution. All right, I'm back in. On 1. Oh, I wanted 2. Now I'm in 2. Stop loss is going to be the bottom of that candle. Oh, beautiful push. Out of 1. Stop is at break even. Beautiful press on the backpack. I love it. 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 I'm going to be out in the 70s. I'm going to be out in the 70s. 63. 64. There we go. I'm out on that. All right, just out of the backpack, that is. We still got MNQs doing work. Nice. Very nice. I'm out of 1 more of my MNQs, and I'm moving my stop up. Stop moving up. Look at that bottom tick. Tickle in the bottom. Just curious, how badly did I do on that stop out? 1100. Fucking assholes. I'm taking off one more as we hit the resistance off the EMA at 70. Great trade on this micro trade. Plus backpacks to boot. Look at that UVXY dump below the prior day low. This is bullish the market. I'm long in 2 backpacks here. No, why are we rejecting from when a second I enter? Damn it. Oil is the problem here. Come on now. Come on now. Backpack. Don't like the UVXY bounce. One bit. Not one bit. Stop loss is in. Okay, push. Let's push now. We're at entry. Let's push. Yes, we're green. Oh. Come on, you son of a bitch. Get green. Get that candle green. VIX is just falling. UVXY, don't worry about UVXY. I front ran it. Don't change the interval. Oh, UVXY, crushing my dreams. Oh, oil, fuck me. Wiggling my stop a little bit here, guys. Oil, gotta reject that. Gotta reject that. Okay, there's that oil rejection. That's good. I want to see confirmation here. We want to see it continue downside below that level. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Moving my stop up. Okay, oil getting below that level. Moving my stop a little bit, just wiggling it. There's the oil rejection. Oh no. There we go. We got to engulf. We got to get above that top of that candle. We got to get up there. We got to get up there. Oil's below the level. Okay. I like this green candle, y'all. Really like it. Really like it. Oh, still wicking off of our entry. Come on, let's get us green. I'll get one off even. Oil, nice rejection from the level. Push. Let's push. Let's push. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, push it. Didn't get one off. Move the stop up. XY heading in the right direction. Turn the candle green. I like that. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going with the bottom wick. Let's do it. Do it. Launch it. Launch it. Let's go. That EMA stack below. How could you not like that? I'm gonna hang in, man. Let's be careful here. UVXY heading down again. VIX heading down. UVXY heading down. We just need oil to head down. Come on. Come on. Turn this candle green. Not you, oil. There we go. There we go. Come on. The buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. We're break even. Moving up my stop. Life insurance. Okay. We are green. Fuck. Come on. Get above these stupid sellers. There we go. Now we're green. Okay, oil more red. I like that. I'm out of one backpack. Fucking assholes. In profit, that is. Okay. Stop is in profit now. Stopped out. Ready to re-enter. Don't love the UVXY bottom wick, but I do like where the EMAs are on our chart. 85 resistance is kind of an issue, though. So that 75 again, we reclaimed it. Out of one there, break even. I double tapped it. Didn't mean to. All right, I'm out of there for 40. Let's see how that netted out in my orders. So I bought two at 79, sold one at 77.25. Okay. It was for a loss. Oh, now it's going. Now it's going. I still think oil is looking sus here. There's the 80s. That's cool. We're going to resist or we're going to recapture? Back to 90. All right, I'm long again. One backpack on the break of the rips level. Let's see if we get continuation to the upside. Seeing it get spicy with a little top wick. Whoa. There's a good press into that wick. Oh, but a double top there. Okay. All right. Finally, the press we were waiting for. All right. On the backpack. All right. I'm out of the backpack. Got a little bit of a shoulder right there on the resistance at 700. Filled at 697. All right. Back to our MNQ trade. I'm going to take off one more at this shoulder right here. Okay, up 1,200 on the day. We're green-ish on the day. I did blow a $500 builder account. It happened. Okay. What is the rules of this? Daily. It's the only rule. Just don't hit the trailing drawdown. Okay. Oh, fuck. What's happening over here? Oh, I blew TPT. Okay. I got to reset that thing. This is DLL'd. Damn, that sucks. It's okay. Staying long over here. And look at this stop right here. This was all just a little liquidity expedition. I like the UVXY rejecting. Oh, not rejecting. Let's use a little caution here, guys. We got VIX up, oil up, market up. 700 resistance E. I'm going to go P. You guys be careful out there. I'm going to go back to the MNQ chart. We have the one MNQ micro still running. Oh, upside, upside, upside. Look at the oil doing stuff. Still seeing the resistance here. Back to the 80s test. Don't love that candle. But we can come over here and test with the EMA cross from 65. Not seeing anything concerning on my other charts. 65 tap with EMA support. Long one backpack. Give me a little space to get on a stop loss. There we go. Off the EMA bounce. Stop loss is in. Excellent, excellent backpack. Excellent backpack. Still have that 700 resistance up there. Not ignoring that. Not ignoring that. Nice, nice. Moving my stop up. And nice push. I'm going to go ahead and take the backpack there on that push to 700 resistance. Woo! That was fun. Little $200 backpack. Nice trade, everybody. Back to 700. Okay, watch the VIX here, guys. That could be it. That could be ball game. Wow, over the 700 resistance. Look at that press. Over 700. Next resistance is going to kind of be that 730s. A little bit of one right there. 714. Above 714 gets you to 730. Trade still working. Nice press to 714. Is that going to be the resistance as the VIX starts to wake up? There's the VIX. Okay, 714 is definitely going to be a little resisty. Oh boy, look at that top wick. Off of the 30. Dang. 20-point dip. Watch that. This is not a great candle. Now I bottom ticked it, so I think I'm obligated to stay in the trade. I do have to leave it an hour. Don't love that rejection at all. From 730 all the way down. Look at that rips level doing the work. Really glad I wasn't in the backpack for that big rejection. Pretty ugly candle on the 2-minute there. See VIX broke back above the prior day low. Oil at 102-ish. Yeah, tough times over here. Let's see if that top wick holds true. Might be still bullish here as oil's getting the rejection under 102. VIX sus. Okay. That's looking good, you guys. 720s here. Now, is the 732 resistance going to get popped is the next question. This is definitely one that I don't want to be adding backpacks to. We're way above our EMAs. Now, a revisit to 85, on the other hand, would inspire me to get a backpack. Oh, I do like that VIX rejection. I do declare. Just look for you guys. You can definitely see my screen. Saw me take that giant fucking L to the face on one candle in TopStep. Nice. Trade micros all day and then on stream flip over to minis and get fucking housed. Anyways, the oil 102 rejection is sweet for the market. There's our 730 rips level. Going level to level to level. Nice rejection from oil. Resisting the ripsy level. Okay, oil, pop, VIX, pop. A lower high has been formed. Caution. I got a hot stove reaction to that 30 there. I don't know if that's a long or not. All right, I'm in. On a backpack. I saw the breach of this wick and I thought it was a sure thing. Backpack not working currently. Oil 102 test again. There's a bounce. All right. Come on, backpack. Come on, backpack. Let's get it. Go get it. Go get above that 30 again and then go all the way to 80. Go up to 80. Green on the trade. Above that wick. There we go. Trade is good. Stop is at break even. We're going to see how far this backpack can take us. All right. At the 45 again. All right. I'm out there at 45 even. Backpack. Great trade. Great trade. Off the 30 break. Look at the backpacks. Backpacks all green. I think maybe one little red one today. Back to the MNQ chart. MNQ. Now, no matter what happens, we are green on the day. Moving my stop up. Now we're definitely going to be green on the day. That takes care of the 1,000 that we lost in TopStep and the 500 that we lost in MyFundedFutures. That's how you do it. It's a comeback story for the ages, obviously. Oh, look at that top wick on the oil. I like that. Off of a 102. Let's see if we get below 102 there for another backpack opportunity. Back to 30 now. Testing the rips level at 30. Still 102 oil. We did hold the 30 test. Top wick oil. I'm long 2 backpacks from the top. If we just reject here, I gotta just exit the whole fucking thing. Getting the press. Out of 1. Not here for a long time, here for a good time. Stop loss is in at break even. Nice press. Nice press for the backpack. Yes, sir. Backpack. I like this. All right. I don't love the candle turning red on me. Go green. Go green. Go green. Come on. Yes. 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 And I'm out on the new high of that wick. Woo! Backpack. Big green on the day, ladies and gents. Big green. Thank you to Rips for the key levels. I love it. Killer levels from Rips. Oil back to 102. Be cautious here. All right, back to the MNQ chart. You know what? Fine. I'll stay here on the backpack chart. I don't think I'm gonna take any more backpacks today, but wow, look at the press. We're above 40, above 45, into the 50s. This was a huge resistance before that I longed into on my TopStep account. I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. does FundedSeat payouts work? Let's see. Once you meet the payout requirements, what are the payout requirements? FAQs. I'm seeing oil start to do a little weirdness about at 102. There's a VIX dump. Looking for now the 730 retest on the backpack. Oil. Big bounce. 101.94 on oil. 101.95 on oil. It's caution for me. Didn't really get the 732 retest that I wanted. There goes oil. I'm long one. One backpack. Oil dumping. Oh God, market dumping. Everything dumping. What does that mean? What does it mean? I don't know. Oh, this backpack. Heavy. Heavy is the crown of the backpack. God damn. Move my stop up. Love long in the top in a backpack and sweating it out. Sweaty backpack. VIX bounced. I'm going to cut this backpack. I like the 102 rejection. That was my thesis, but then they did the roll over to VIX. Okay, that's a good sign. Holding 30. There's the oil dump. Oil and market are moving together, which is very confusing. Look at that press down. About to hit the top of the hour. Could knife us. Top of the hour. Top of the hour. Trying to knife. I want it to bounce, though. Moving my stop down. 2 p.m. Are they going to buy it or are they going to sell it? Damn, oil got the bounce. Oil did not break down. Stopped out. That sucks. Lost the 30 level. Look at that dumper. Through the rips level. Not a backpack. Glad I stopped out. Stopped out in profit on my MNQ. Wow. What a dump. There's my backpacks in for the bounce. Okay, here's our bounce coming in. Nice, nice, nice. Stop is in, not in. Okay, I want to see this press now. I want to see this press. Not that way. Backpacks are working. TTP is buying this dip. Fuck. Can't add anymore. More selling. Damn. Oil rejected. VIX rejected. Turn that candle green. Very good. Rips level held at 640. Moving up my stop. Like that candle going green. There's our bounce. Finally. Come on. Don't reject our entry. Okay, oil trying to dump here. Here we are at entry again. Rejecting again. VIX reclaimed its prior day low. Okay, oil doing the thing. Getting a bounce though. There's oil's dump. Come on, get above this entry. Come on now, get above this entry. Why are we so resisty from exactly where I need you to go up? Big volume on oil. Big volume on oil. Which direction are we going to go, though? Prepared to take one off if we start to knife. God, the 61 level has got the EMA on it. Oil got a bounce. Not great. There's oil more downside. Oh, it's getting the bounce though. Okay, oil bouncing here. Let's be careful. Nice little pop here. Don't want to see them sell it. Don't want to see them sell it. Damn, that 61 EMA is so rough. Oil got the bounce. There we go. Get this bounce. Let's get it. Fucking come on with your bottom wicks and no follow through. See more oil rejection here. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm going to move it up my stop. Such bullshit. We're above that EMA at 63. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Big push up. I'm out of one. Stop is at break even. Thank you for the pop up. Finally. Finally to the rips level and beyond. Woo! All right. All right. All right. All right. Got some EMAs up there that are fucking up the run. Still holding. Nice. 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 Okay. Moving up my stop. If I get stopped out, it's fine. Okay. We're through the rips level. That's why I adjusted my stop. Let's get above it. Let's get above the 85.50. We're above it. Oh, I love that candle going green. Yeah. Yeah, baby. I love that candle going green. Yeah. 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 Vixen oil bouncing. I don't know what's happening. Oh, it went red. Stop is in. In profit, that is. We're on the wrong side of the rips level now. Gotta get back above 85. Like the VIX rejection, like the oil rejection, I'm moving my stop down. Testing the middle of this bar, middle of this candle, I think it will support. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Now my stop is at the bottom of that wick. That's how you manage a big old backpack. Get stopped out for $100, that's okay. There it is. Stopped out. Oil 101.50 test. Back in. We got two. Oil's dumping under that 101.50 support. Oh, let's break it up. Break it. Break it. We're up. We're up. We're up. We're up. We're up. We're up. Don't wick it. Don't wick it. Out of one on the push. That was a $40 profit. I was worried about that top wick coming in. Come on, rips level. Let's launch it. Let's launch it. Don't resist it. Launch it. There we go. There we go. We got above the rips level. Let's get above the EMAs too. There we go. More downside on oil. No. Selling it down. All right, gotta stop in. Okay, now we're to the middle of this candle. Did we get above 700? Yeah, stops in at break even. We're above 700. I like that. Okay, gotta stay above 700. Yeah, resisting from 700 is not awesome. A retest of 685 would be cool. That's pretty much where my entry is. Stopped out. 8 test here, 86. Got the rips level retest. Rips level's not holding. Oh, there we go. Green. Green on the trade. Very good. That rips level held. Thank you, rips. Stop as a break even. Oof. Trying to stop me out. It did stop me out. Damn. Nine. Rips level with EMAs. I think I will. On 2 backpacks again. Oh, it's testing the rips level. Let's watch out here. Loss of that would be bad. Should have just waited for the contest to like big backpack. Oil's getting a little spicy there, guys. Watch out. Go green. Let's go green. We have a hanging man on our entry. There's some green. There we go. Nice press. Nice press on the double backpack. I'm out of one. That's a $100 profit. Stop loss is in on the other one. Boom. Wicking it down again. Those bastards. Rips level held. I like that, but we got to get above these big sellers up here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Get above those sellers. Let's get above those sellers. Let's get above those sellers. Moving my stop up. Okay, 700 current resistance. Moving my stop up a little bit. 695s. Come on, you sellers. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Good. Come on, get out of the way, you assholes. Oil getting a bounce. Stupid sellers. Hate you. Up 1300. It's back to the rips level with EMA support. We're just riding those EMAs up. Okay. I'm back in. Let's get that green now. Let's get that candle green. Get that candle green. Uh-oh. We're red. Come on now. Oh man, I longed into the 700 resistance. That's the problem. Damn. It was a bad entry. Should have recognized the 700 resistance. Okay, oil, doji, VIX, red. Let's go up. This is looking dumpy, guys. Setting a stop loss down here below the 80s. Okay, that's a push that I like. That's a push that I like up to our entry. We're holding all those EMAs. We just got to get above 700. Asking a lot here. Do not love the top wick here. That candle turning red is not good. Holding the rips level. Dang, to the rips level. Vic's getting a pop here. Out of one. Added one. Just move my basis down to the rips level. Like that bounce so far off our second entry. Nice bounce from the rips level. Oh, we're under it though. Damn it. Gotta recapture it. Now we're resisting the rips level. Damn. Like that bounce. Doji. Or resisting the rips level now. I see that EMA support at 63 below if we fall. There we go. Oof, that dump hurts. Gonna make a lower low? Possible? Not seeing a lot of buyers stepping in yet. Off of that EMA, 63.76 is that level. Thought we'd see way more buyers coming in here on 63. That's the bounce I wanted to see. Turn this candle green. X rising. Like the oil rejection. There we go. Oil rejecting pivot, which is good. That EMA. Good rejection for oil. Nice bounce on the market. Let's get above the EMA, please. Moving up my stop. Back in that push. Don't wick it. 79 is the EMA and 685. Okay. EMA test again at 79. We're at 80. 85 is going to be the next hurdle to get over. There's 83. Got to 84. We're at the rips level. This is what we wanted to see hold before. Moving my stop up. Knife insurance. Now we're resisting the rips level. Hopefully it doesn't turn red. If that candle goes red, I'm going to size down. There we go. Now we're getting the press above the rips level. Let's go. Above the rips level. Gotta hold it. At entry. At entry. Oil trying to put in a bounce. I'm going to get a quick profit here, and we're going to get the fuck out of the way. Finally hitting resistance there at 695? Question mark? I'm pretty bullish here, guys. I like it what I see. Resisted off of our entry, testing the rips level now. Don't like that we're failing it. Back above it. Stay above it, please. Guess that was the retest. Now we can press to the top of the wick. Moving up my stop. Still resisting from our entry at 90. Green? Almost green. Still resisting our entry. Still resisting our entry. Come on, let's press this. Let's press this motherfucker. Damn, this resistance from our entry is so annoying. We're holding above the rips level. The longer we stay above, the better this is. You're 94. God damn. All right, we're green on the trade. Yay! Yay! We're green on the trade. Yay! 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 I'm at a 1 in profit. Oh, no. I guess that was maybe a... Didn't realize where my first entry was. Let's see. First buy was at 701 and I closed it at 693. It was a good takeout. A good takeout. Will's trying to do something, guys. Be careful. I stopped down because I still believe in this long. As long as oil stays below the pivot, we stay above the rips number. That was all just a test of the rips level, y'all. Turn this candle green off of it. Oil still fucking around at the pivot. All right, my stop is at break even. Just massaging the stop up and down, up and down. Like turning that candle green. Stop loss down again because I really like what I'm seeing. EMA support below. Oil rejecting. That would have stopped me out. Those EMAs with the rips level. Such a strong entry. Diving to it. Dive there. Held the level. Getting below the level. Caution, y'all. Trying to get back above the pivot. EMA's at 64 now. Back above my Ripsy level. Come on. Disrespect of the Rips level cannot be tolerated. Get back above that 85. Just realized that my music stopped a while ago. Sorry, y'all. Dang, I really gotta pee too. Oil is above pivot. Nice reclaim of the Ripsy level. There it is. Reclaimed it. Very good. Stay above. Gotta hold now. We gotta hold above. That's it. That's it. That's it. Rejecting it. Rejecting the level. Love to see the UVXY lose the prior day low and send us upside. Oh, Ripsy level. Get it back. Get it back. Listing it now. Oil pressing to the 101.50 level. Let's see what happens there. Dump from there. Still resisting the Ripsy level. Recovered. No. It's a long hold, you guys. Been in this position a long time. Oh, oil busted above its pivot. Back to the EMA. I added. Stop, move down. Whoa, whoa. It's chasing my stop. It's too zoomed in for you guys to really effectively move that thing. Move that thing. Still holding that level below. It was just a little liquidity test. Yeah, I heard it too, Barnaby. Don't want to see this wick fill up at all. Green on the trade. Now, my buy, first buy was at 86. We're at 76. So to take profit here would just be a break even. 78. Nice oil back below that pivot. That's good. Okay, moved up my stop to basically break even. Okay, now we're break even. Profit. There it is. Stopped in profit. Prepared to re-enter. The UVXY candle, guys, and the oil. 3. 65 is support. 85 is resistance. In the middle of that, right? All right, I'm in. Nice entry. That was the pop. Stop is a break even. Stop me. God damn it. Stop me out. All right, I gotta pee. We'll be back. And the oil holding at the pivot. Below all the EMAs, crossing downside on the 10, 640 would be a really attractive long. And for oil to reject there, like the VIX did. Back to that EMA again. It's been holding so far, but we definitely just put in like an M pattern. Oil's over 101.50. VIX is falling. VIX is bouncing. There were buyers here before. Seems like they're gone now. Still not in. Green on this account at least. Only down about $200 on the day if we're really like keeping score. Watching for my Big Mac Daddy chart. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm in one. I want this area to continue to be supportive. So my stop's going to be down there. Go. Eyes got to get above. It's even. User on VWAP. My stop in to break even it. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we snipe that entry. Love that EMS chart. Look at this. Look at this on the 5. That candle turns green. That's really good for us. Maybe it'll just stop us out again. I'm here for about 15 more minutes, kids. Not my stop. Get it. Let's get it. There we go. I like that pump. Very good. Okay, now we can go back over here. This. Yes, we're at that 81 EMA and 85 rips level. Watch what happens. Happens. Rips level test. And claimed. Yes. Reclaim the rips level. No, resisting it. Watching for the volume here at the pivot. Okay. Distance in 700 still. I stop up. Oil's below pivot, 101.49. I stopped down to the Ripsy level to get a retest. Oh, it's 69. We're on the Rips level right now. Tempted to take profit here, especially if oil gets a pop. We go above the Rips level. I love that. I love that push. I love that push. Let's keep it going. Up, stop. Nice push. Really nice push. So that's 700 resistance. Six falling. Moving up my stop. Bit of a top wick there, up 695. 97, very good. Nice push, nice push. 700 test. Great push, we're above 700s. Resisting 700. Stop is in case we reject 700. 700 again. 701. Big resistance there. VIX is diving. Bill's starting to bounce. UVXY crushing. Oil's testing pivot. Oh, hate that top wick. Wiggled my stop a little bit. Oh, I love that candle turning green. Like VIX is so it looks like oil is rejecting pivot. VIX way down. 1730s. Break above 700 on that. VIX getting a bounce. Are at resistance. Again. Back at that resistance at 700. Oil starting to trend down while VIX is starting to bounce. See, they're trying to pause the motion by rotating those two. That's the push I wanted. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Above 700. Above 700. I like it. I like that push. I like that push. Don't top wick it though. Don't top wick it back to 700. All right, moving up my stop. There's that push. There's that push. There's that push. I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit there, y'all. Woof. That's 1600 on the day. And that's a green day. We're gonna press more. I saw the VIX get a bounce and I saw this top wick start to form around all these other top wicks. These sellers are fucking relentless there, y'all. Okay, VIX at a pivot to 1725. All right, I'm back in. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Out of one. Great entry. Sniper entry with double backpack. Awesome. Awesome. $714 now. Can we get up to the 730? My original nemesis of 730. Oil's gotten a dumper. We're above that resistance now, y'all. Last trade of the day here for me, y'all. Oil's at pivot. I want to see it bounce here at the 101.30s. See it knife through there. There's oil below pivot. Bounced on it. Big top wick. Others did not like it here. Okay, 1700 on the day. Better to re-enter. Oil at pivot. Yep, there it is. Back in the double backpack. Hopefully we don't knife. Uh-oh. Oh man, oil got the bounce. Boo, stop loss is it. Bottom wick. We get almost got green. Damn, and a dive, and a dive. Gotta be oil related. Put my stop down for those of you following along at home. Oil bouncing hard here. Goes the market though. The market. Turn this candle green. That's some green. All right, I'm out of one backpack. That's just a precautionary fill. Stop is at break even. Not gonna let this trade go red. There we go. There we go. That's the push I wanted to see on the double backpack. Yes, please. Nice. Very nice. Very nice push. Big push up. Big push up. We can get to 30? Are we gonna get to 30? Loving this push. Can we get to 30? Get to 30. All right, I'm out. I'm out at 27. 25.75. All right. Now I really got to go pick up my kids. Y'all, thank you for joining me on Trading for All Audiences. We are really green on the day. Up about 700 on the day. Great trades here in the FundedSeat account. Up $2,125.50 on the day. We're going to call it there. Thank you for trading with me today. Trade safely out there, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.